Hi there, Tracy Winesapple here in my studio. I'm really excited that we had released the Gelli Arts Art Journal kit a couple weeks ago and we sold out of them, which is really great. However, we did restock them and I'm excited to say that you can reorder them again. Here they are. They come all boxed up. All you need to do is add paint and a dash of your creativity, and you will get a fun book like this. If you go to the Gelli Arts page under the DIY kits, I'll post the link there. This shows many of my examples. These are projects that I have shared. I've done a lot of these backgrounds and put them on my YouTube channel. Super fast, super easy. Let me show you what comes in the kit. By the way, if you order the kit, make sure to use the code TracyW to save, but let's show you what comes in the kit. Alrighty, here is the kit itself, all boxed up. Open that up, you get a brayer. Again, all you got to do is add paint. You get the Hahnemühle journal, which this is acid-free and it works fantastic for all the acrylic paint I put in it. Did not stick together at all. It's a 6x8 book. And then with this kit, which I love, is you get a 5x7 plate. So there it is, wrapped in the bubble wrap that you are going to want to keep because you can use that for tons of texture and fun prints. You also get punchinella. You get these fun fibers. I did some fun pages doing that. You get a 5x7 stencil that matches the size of the plate. And, of course, instructions. So like I said, here's those fibers I was just showing you about. Each one of these pages was created with this kit only. All I did was add paint. And look at that. A lot of these backgrounds I will come in now and draw on, or I will just leave them. So here's an example of me just digging in and turning my art journal kit into a drawing exercise. This is something I love to share. I recently did this. This video is on YouTube. You can check that out on my YouTube channel. Here's another one I did from the comfort of my own bed a couple of weeks ago. Super simple. All you need is just a Sharpie, maybe a white pen, and that will get you going. Alrighty, so once again, if this is a kit that you would like to order, we have limited supply. Again, they just went live this morning. Use the code TracyW when you order to save. And thank you so much, Gelli Arts, for putting a kit together for us art journalers so that we can get creative and just a fun and simple space. Thank you, Hahnemühle, for this fun journal. It's really great to come together and work on something that means so much to me. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to get your order in. This makes a great gift for you and for somebody else. Have a great day.